In today's video, we'll be seeing how to insert a table into PPT and how to edit it. For that, now we have a small table here and I need to insert this table into a PPT. I'll just copy and I will paste in the PPT. In this PPT, we have to update the values manually and these links cannot be updated automatically. For that, I will delete this table and again copy this same table and go to PPT, and here you can see in this home menu we have a option called paste. Click on this drop down, paste special, paste link and select Microsoft Excel worksheet object and click on OK. Now the table is linked to Excel file. Now if I update any value here, the data will automatically get updated in this PPT also. Friends, in case if you don't want this link to get updated, then go to file option, info, you have this edit links to file, click here and then you can just click on break the link, and now you cannot update this values using the Excel file. Now this data has become as an image.